Hey, how's it going? Got a new recipe for you here. It uses an ingredient that I have really grown to love, and that's Vapin yogurt drink. It's a real easy concentrate to work with. You can get good effects out of it. Uh, a couple percent of that and your favorite fruits, and you're in business. Let's take a look at this recipe, and then we'll go mix it. All right, so here we are. Raz straw sweet tart. Now, you all can read the notes, but this recipe, it could probably use some more sweetener. I only put a 0.5% of Flavor West sweetener in it. And, it's meant to be like a candy profile. A 0.5% of sweetener, it's not that sweet, but it's where I like it. So if you want your candy sweeter, uh, use whatever sweetener that you want at the level where you like it. But the FA raspberry and Capella sweet strawberry, those two together just create a nice berry note. You can taste the raspberry more prominent than the strawberry, but you definitely get the strawberry still. And the yogurt drink from Vape Train at 1.5%. Um, that is really to me what gives you that sweet tart feeling. Um, that lemon lime note really helps sell that sweet tart, or maybe even like a pixie stick or those little straws that you dump the powder out of. And either way, let's go give this a mix, and then we'll come back up here and bake it. All right, so here we are. We got our Raz straw sweetened tart. Give this a little drip and see where we are at. I'm testing this again on the rig mod with the rig RDA on top. Absolutely love this mod, this RDO. Okay, so right off the bat, you're going to really taste that yogurt drink. So the lemon lime is pretty present initially. After about 3 or 4 days steep, though, that strawberry and raspberry will come to the front, and the lemon lime will kind of be a back note. And that's when it really tastes like a sweet tart to me. Um, so yeah, I mean that's what I got. You know, like this video, y'all subscribe to the channel if you're not. Uh, and as always, stay safe, keep on trucking, and keep on vaping.